Okay, let's look at this is tutorial 41. Arbitrary argument list. We can actually use the argument list with one or two, what depends on number of the arguments, with built-in functions like a minimum, maximum, for example. So if you have a minimum, you can say 80, 80, 75. Okay, there are two parameters. Average is 75. If you want, you can add more. Let's say 96, 55, or 63. So average is, minimum is 55. Okay. Of course, you change to max, which is going to be 96. Okay, 96. Okay, this is what we call as a arbitrary argument list. It depends. Okay, it can be 1 or 2 or 5 arguments. So let me define our own average. How do we actually define these kind of functions? We code it as arguments here, but we use asterisk. It can be 1 or 2 or 3. It depends on your argument list. So sum built-in function arguments divided by length arguments. So basically saying if we have 5 of them, okay, sum of these 5 numbers divided by 5, okay, because the length say there are 5 elements. Simplicity, let me say average. Five and 10. So we are actually using 5 and 10 here, 2 of them. Get 15 and divide by 2. So 7.5. Okay. Of course, we can try the average. 5, 10, 15. Okay, so it will be 30 and then divide by 3, which is correct, 10. Okay, let me try one more. So if we have average of these numbers, we are passing 5 arguments list to here. Okay, sum of those numbers and divide by 5. That will be 79.4. So if we know this, this can be used with this argument, okay, arbitrary arguments. So if you have that, okay, I will say, okay, we assume this is something to do with the grade. So we have 5 lists, okay. Then we can use average, and then we can pass as a arbitrary argument. Okay, we can pass it this way, then we are going to end up with the same as a 79.4. So this is exactly same as the previous one. Okay, so 79.4. You may find that this is useful. Of course, if you have a different programming background, it might be confusing. Okay, arguments, arbitrary argument list. Okay, that's might be useful as well. Thank you.